Welcome back. Earlier in the show today, we talked about an expo for going back to school if you're in pre-K through 12th grade. But now Leigh Copeland is here to tell us a little bit about what's going on at TCL and their back to school expo and open house. Welcome, Leigh. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. It's a great time of year. It's a great time to enroll at TCL. We have a couple of events coming up. First off, on Monday, July 25th, I think it is our Culinary Institute of the South Enrollment Expo. And that's going to be Monday morning from 9 to noon. And you can come over and check out the really cool facilities and new kitchen equipment and explore that facility and be our faculty and get enrolled for fall classes.
And that really is a wonderful facility. I've been out there a few times. It's just so state-of-the-art and so exciting to have that in our area. Tell us a little bit about the programs that are available there.
Sure. So we offer associate degrees and certificates in culinary arts, baking and pastry, and hospitality management. So lots of choices there. And the programs can be as short as about a year, or you can take a few years to complete them, just depending on your own work schedule. We have flexible options to fit classes in where you can fit them in.
And I know that you guys have a tuition program that would really help some people out if they're thinking about doing this and they're thinking, oh, I don't know if I can afford to do that. I don't know if that's right for me. Tell us a little bit about the help that you offer that way.
There's no better time. So we are so excited. We're able to offer free tuition again this fall for all of our programs, but including culinary. And so we'll cover tuition and fees for South Carolina residents who are taking at least 2 classes for the fall semester. So, I mean, we're saving you, we're always affordable to begin with, but free tuition on top of it is really saving you lots and lots of money. So I'd say if you're on the fence, you're not sure, fall's a great time to just give it a try, and we think you'll love it.
Yeah, and I mean, that is just such a great resource that we have here. It's so wonderful for the community. And so you obviously offer other things besides culinary at TCL. I know lots of different programs. So tell us a little bit about the expo that's coming up to share those.
Sure. So the culinary, as I mentioned, is Monday. And then on Tuesday, July 26th, from 4 to 6 p.m., we're going to have a drop-in open house at our New River campus, which is also in Bluffton. And so you can come in and meet some of our faculty, staff, and admissions experts and get information on all of our other programs. We offer more than 60 programs. So you can learn a little bit about our health sciences program, computer technology, paralegal, criminal justice, building construction, you name it, we probably have it. And so the most important thing I'd say is that our career paths and choices are going to make sure that you get a career in the future that's going to pay the bills, save you some money, and they're quick. So, and now you can say they're free to boot. So again, it's no better time than right now to start TCL.
Yeah, and as you mentioned, there are so many different career paths that you can choose from TCL, and as you said, they can be quick, as little as a year, or all the way to a couple of years for that associate's degree. And so, remind us again, we're going Monday is for the Culinary Institute, and Tuesday is for all the other programs at TCL. And give us those times one more time.
Yep. So Monday, July 25th is our Culinary Expo, and that is from 9 a.m. to noon. And then on Tuesday is our New River campus open house. And that's from 4 to 6 p.m. And so at either of these events, just drop in, meet some people, and explore the facilities.
Well, Leigh, thank you so much for being here to share with us those great events, and make sure that you're checking out those great events if you have any interest in a wide variety of careers, because maybe you can have free tuition to boot. So that's great. Thanks so much for being here, Leigh.
Thank you.
Thanks to everyone on the show today for their insights and contributions. Thanks to my wardrobe sponsor, SM Bradford Company and Currents, for today's look. As always, our production team is behind the scenes to make all of this possible. And of course, we are honored that you have chosen to share a part of your day with us. I'm Betsy McDaniel, and we'll see you for the next WHHI-TV Daily News.